OpenAI is a San Francisco-based company launched ChatGPT in November 2022. OpenAI is an artificial intelligence research and development firm co-founded by Elon Musk and Sam Altman in 2015. Sam Altman is an American entrepreneur, investor, and programmer. He is the CEO of OpenAI. In 2018, Elon Musk decided to exit OpenAI. He wants to concentrate on his Tesla and SpaceX businesses, but remain with OpenAI as a strategic investor. OpenAI first launched DALL-2. DALL-2 is a new AI system that can create realistic images from natural language descriptions. ChatGPT hit 1 million users in 5 days. By the end of January 2023, ChatGPT was averaging about 13 million visitors per day. Facebook and Instagram are two of the most important apps in the world of social media, but it took both of them several months to reach the 1 million user base mark. ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. ChatGPT is a language model. That model is called GPT-3 language model. ChatGPT is a conversational AI. It has been trained on a massive data set. This data source comes from articles, websites, or any other online source. ChatGPT is capable of understanding and generating text, also can answer a wide range of questions as well as generate creative writing like articles or poetry. ChatGPT has some limitations because ChatGPT responses are based on information that has been trained on. That means ChatGPT answers may be limited. Generative AI can replace human workers in near future. The answer is yes. The most affected industry will be copywriting and programming because generative AI models are capable of writing basic code. So, nowadays ChatGPT opens a new window for humans that can change AI thinking.